Do we exist after death?
We don't really know what it means to die. In reality, death absolutely does not exist. Only the descriptive words exist for us to use. All of nature moves as energy. When we leave our body, can we say that we are dead? No. At that moment, through the work of microorganisms, the body begins to decompose and returns to the womb of nature. And the soul, after having finished its journey here on earth, begins a new adventure in another dimensional world. The human body is just clothing that one wears to travel a certain path. When that road ends, the energy simply transforms. Our soul exists, has always existed, and can only continue eternally. In other words, this means that every form of energy present in the universe is eternal. A stone, a handful of sand, a drop of water are all forms of energy which adapt to the environment that surrounds it. Among all energies, soul energy is special and also moves differently. Thus, while all material energy can be divided and reduced into tiny particles, immaterial energy, the energy our soul is made of, cannot be divided. Although immaterial energy cannot be divided, it did occur once. That event is known as the Big Bang. On that occasion, the huge shock wave which gave rise to the Big Bang led to the fragmentation of the immaterial energy present, or the divine energy, which in this way was dispersed in the depths of the universe. All those fragments of immaterial energy scattered around and took a few billion years to find and recognize each other. Throughout that period, galaxies and star systems were created, including ours. When the Earth was finally finished, almost all the intangible particles were found. The fruits of your efforts here on Earth will follow you to the other dimensional world, where the gods dwell, in the place where there is no suffering. Death is therefore not something to worry about. The moment you live well, when you are fulfilling what you came here to do, all forms of suffering will cease. When we observe death, we only take into consideration the existence of our body, without being able to see more deeply. Our body is composed of a complex array of elements that return to nature once the life cycle has ceased. But all this concerns only our physical body. Therefore, there is neither birth nor death.